عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. حامدا ومصليا أما بعد. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا. Honorable President, venerable judges, respected teachers, elders, and my dear Islamic brothers, today I have been gifted a golden chance to speak on this topic, brotherhood in Islam. Dear friends, the word brotherhood refers to the belief that all people should act with warmth and equality towards one another regardless of their differences in race, creed, and nationality. In the realm of Islam, a universal and everlasting faith, its focus extends beyond the particular individual or a nation. Instead, it prioritizes the unity of the whole mankind according to its socio-political agenda. Open delving into the Islamic teachings and principles, it becomes crystal clear that it seeks to establish a universal brotherhood. It stands for equality among people and encompasses every aspect of life, be it social, political, moral, or intellectual. The Holy Quran emphasizes the concept of brotherhood in numerous verses, urging believers to unite and refrain divisions. One such verse is وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold firmly to the rope of Allah together and do not become divided. Another verse underscores the fraternity or companionship among believers. إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ إِخْوَةٌ. The believers are but brothers. And further, الْمُؤْمِنُونَ وَالْمُؤْمِنَاتِ بَعْضُهُمْ أَوْلِيَاءُ بَعْضٍ. The believing men and women are allies of one another. These verses not only describe the peril of prejudice, but actively promote the cultivation of strong bonds of brotherhood and fraternalism. Dear friends, Islam, in its divine wisdom, has prohibited the action that may harm the spirit of brotherhood. An instance of this is when two Muslims engage in whispering in the presence of a third person. Such behavior may not only offend but also lead to the repudiation of the third individual. Therefore, Islam strongly advocates refraining from activities that could sever the bonds of brotherhood. Allah, in His divine wisdom, distinctly forbids such actions, stating, وَلَا يَغْتَبْ بَعْضُكُمْ بَعْضًا أَيُحِبُّ أَحَدُكُمْ أَنْ يَأْكُلَ لَحْمَ أَخِيهِ مَيْتًا فَكَرِهْتُمُوهُ. Do not backbite one another. Would any of you like to eat his dead brother's flesh? You would hate it. You don't like it. Moreover, to elevate the spirit of brotherhood, Islam commands its followers to exchange greeting when they meet. This is simple yet a profound gesture that fosters an atmosphere of mutual respect, solidarity among individuals. And our Prophet Muhammad also emphasized the brotherhood among Muslims by stating, المسلم أخو مسلم لا يظلمه ولا يسلمه ومن كان في حاجة أخيه كان الله في حاجته. A Muslim is a brother of another Muslim, so he should not oppress him, nor should he hand him over to an oppressor. Whoever fulfills the needs of his brother, Allah will fulfill his needs. Now I'm going to conclude my speech with this prayer, that may Allah make us brother and help us to establish the true spirit of brotherhood by forgetting our so-called Ameen. تقبل يا رب العالمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.